3. Hello. I got smoke coming from my seats. I can play basketball with the moon. I got the whole world at my feet. Playing touch football on marijuana streets, or in a marijuana field. You are so beneath my cleats. Get high, so high that I feel like lying down in a cigar. Roll me up and smoke me, 'cause swimming laps around a bottle of Louis XIII, jumping off of a mountain into a sea of codeine. I'm at the top of the top, but still I climb. And if I should ever fall, the ground will then turn to wine.